Welcome to From Our Home to Yours, a cooking channel where professionals from Cooperative Extension show you how to cook delicious, health-promoting recipes that they love. Hi, I'm Carlin Raffey, Extension Specialist with Virginia Cooperative Extension. And today I'm going to show you one of my go-to recipes for Thanksgiving, holiday root vegetable roast. Sweet potatoes are a favorite for Thanksgiving. They're naturally sweet, but are often served in dishes with a lot of added sugar, butter, and sometimes even topped with marshmallows. For a change, I like to serve a sweet potato dish that combines that natural sweet with savory flavors, so typical of this joyous season. This recipe combines sweet potatoes with beets, parsnips, and carrots, seasoned with rosemary and thyme, to make an aromatic sweet and savory combination that everyone likes. The recipe calls for 4 large carrots, 3 parsnips, 2 large sweet potatoes, 3 beets, 3 cloves garlic, 1½ tablespoons of fresh rosemary, 1/2 tablespoon of fresh thyme, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Sweet potatoes get their sweetness from the natural sugar content in them. Up to 25% of the total carbohydrate is sugar. They're rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and potassium, as well as a good source of fiber. There are about 4 grams of fiber in a medium sweet potato. The most common color of sweet potatoes is a deep orange copper color. They can also be found in white, yellow, and purple. Sweet potatoes are often mislabeled as yams, but these two are quite different. In fact, yams are a different species. Yams are native to Africa and Asia and are distinguished by their blackish-brown, bark-like skin with white or purple-toned flesh. So I'm going to start by washing the vegetables, and then I'll peel them. For these beets, I'm going to go ahead and cut off these greens. You can actually eat these greens, but these are a little old, so I'm going to chop them up and give them to my chickens along with the peels that come from all of these vegetables. The parsnips and carrots are cut into thick slices at a diagonal. You can add other vegetables to this recipe according to your taste, including onions, turnips, and others. Then we cut the sweet potatoes and beets into 1-inch pieces. Mix the olive oil, garlic, rosemary, and thyme. This rosemary and thyme comes from my garden. I like to gently saute the garlic in the olive oil so that it picks up the garlic flavor. Pour the olive oil mixture over the vegetables and mix to coat. Spread on a non-stick or greased jelly roll and cook at 425 degrees Fahrenheit until the vegetables are tender, about 45 to 50 minutes. Stir the vegetables in between. What a beautiful color and a rich aroma of the holidays. I hope you'll try this recipe this year. From our home to yours.